Look at this single, stable trajectory. For a moment, its path is perfectly clear. Then the system shatters, throwing variables into a storm of erratic, unpredictable movement. If you feed a machine learning algorithm a massive dataset of this chaos, can it look past the mess and reconstruct the exact, elegant differential equations governing the system underneath? This is the core challenge with studying dynamical systems. Whether we are tracking atmospheric turbulence, the spread of a pathogen, or the volatility of financial markets, we know these systems evolve based on strict deterministic rules. The problem is, we often lack the mathematical equations. We only have the messy observations. Traditional forecasting tools rely on linear models or assume repeating periodic patterns. When faced with deterministic chaos, these tools fail. The math assumes a stability that simply does not exist in the data. Before we can build artificial intelligence capable of discovering the physical laws of our reality, we need a proving ground. We have to construct a controlled mathematical laboratory designed to perfectly generate pure, deterministic chaos. In the early 1960s, a meteorologist named Edward N. Lorenz was working at MIT, attempting to formulate a mathematical prediction scheme for the weather. This is the abstract from his 1963 paper, Deterministic Non-Periodic Flow. Lorenz published a rigorous proof that specific, fully deterministic systems naturally yield non-periodic solutions, meaning the outcomes never repeat their past history exactly. This introduced a severe paradox. A closed physical system can be modeled by a finite set of exact, ordinary differential equations. There is no randomness in the math. Yet, even with perfect governing laws, long-term state prediction remains impossible. Lorenz mapped out the strict boundaries of human forecasting. His calculations forced a change in how we view the atmosphere, substituting the pursuit of perfect long-range weather prediction with a mathematical framework that proved its ultimate unpredictability. To study this unpredictability, Lorenz looked at thermal atmospheric convection. Imagine a layer of fluid. Warm fluid rises from the heated surface below, while cooler, denser fluid sinks from above, generating continuous rolling currents. Fluid dynamics normally require infinitely complex partial differential equations to track every particle. Lorenz stripped away that complexity. He severely truncated the physics down to a highly simplified, purely mathematical state vector system. He reduced the entire atmosphere to just 3 physical variables. X measures the intensity of the convective motion. Y tracks the horizontal temperature difference between ascending and descending currents, and Z captures the distortion of the vertical temperature profile. Boiling down planetary fluid dynamics into a bare-bones 3-dimensional state vector is what unlocked the mathematical grammar of chaos. These are the exact equations Lorenz derived. This is a vector field, 3 coupled ordinary differential equations that define the precise rate of change for the state variables x, y, and z. The system relies on parameters sigma, rho, and beta. We set these to Lorenz's values, 10, 28, and 8/3. Nonlinear terms prevent analytical solutions. Instead, we must use numerical integration, calculating the trajectory forward in discrete time steps. We do this using an adaptive computational solver. In environments like MATLAB, a function called OD45 evaluates the vector field, calculates the slopes, and takes thousands of sequential steps, often 50,000 or more, to trace the system's path over a defined timespan. This process of high-tolerance numerical integration acts as the engine of our mathematical laboratory. It transforms an abstract continuous set of equations into dense, highly complex discrete time series data. This graph displays Y over time. The waves exhibit amplified oscillations, growing before reversing at unpredictable intervals. But the true structure reveals itself when we abandon time. Plotting x, y, and z together, we step into a 3-dimensional phase space. The data draws an attractor. The system state spirals outward around one lobe, abruptly crosses over to spiral around a second lobe, and oscillates back and forth. The trajectory never crosses itself, and it never exactly repeats. This geometry visualizes what is known as sensitive dependence on initial conditions. If we start with a tight cluster of nearby coordinates representing slight measurement uncertainty, The dynamics stretch and fold that uncertainty exponentially across the attractor. 2 points that start almost completely identical end up on entirely different paths. That specific mechanism, the exponential stretching and folding of data across phase space, is the definitive mathematical signature separating a chaotic system from mere randomness. Simulating this behavior requires extreme computational precision. Because errors multiply exponentially, solvers must use adaptive time-stepping, constantly shrinking their calculations to maintain microscopic absolute error tolerances, dialed down to 10 to the minus 12. If the solver's error tolerance is too loose, the math cannot contain the chaos. Compounding errors rapidly overwhelm the calculation, and the trajectory blows up entirely. An algorithm running in a pristine mathematical laboratory has advantages we don't get in reality. In the field, physical data is constantly contaminated by unavoidable sensor noise and derivative estimation errors. Attempting to discover governing equations directly from raw, real-world data introduces a massive risk. If we feed messy inputs into an untrained machine learning model, the algorithm will overfit its calculations to transient noise, missing the true geometric attractor. A high-tolerance numerical simulation of Lorentz system functions as a critical data generation tool. This pristine, computationally demanding dataset acts as the essential ground truth. We need this perfectly clean chaotic data to train, test, and validate the modern sparse identification and Koopman machine learning algorithms designed to decode complex systems. This video is an educational project inspired by the methodologies detailed in Professor Stephen L. Camp. Brunton's Dynamical Systems with Machine Learning lecture series. The modern frontier of research focuses on recovering fundamental physical laws rather than predicting future states. The goal is to use AI as a tool for discovering the elegant mathematical rules that govern our reality. The equations are hidden in the data. What chaotic real-world systems, from quantitative finance to complex neurobiology or advanced aerodynamics, would you target with these mathematical discovery methods? Let us know in the comments below.